Besides changing the property of any object or form during your design, you can also change it during runtime while you're actually interacting with the form or the application. So this is where assignment statements come in. They are basically strings of codes which run or change some property during runtime. So they can be either strings, basically some set of letters within a quotation mark, or they can be values like 1, 2, or they can be even true or false, meaning that suppose uh, visibility, is it true or false? So if you click some button, some picture might just disappear, and that's visibility or visible is false. So here's some how-tos of and the correct syntax, starting with the object, then the dot member access operator, or basically the dot, and then whatever property you want to change in runtime, and then the expression. It can be like if you want to change the width, it can be some number. If you want some text to show, or if you want something to be visible, stuff like that. And this code here, this snapshot says that this button or this subroutine is for this button, for the exit button. This subroutine is for uh, button go, which basically makes some picture box visible and some other picture box not visible. And this stop button is just the opposite, to make one picture visible and one picture invisible, stuff like that. So these are some of the use for assignment statements. You can also print the code if you want to, print the codes and the user interface for your own purpose. For the purpose of the class, you probably won't need to, because whatever solution you do, you basically gonna submit it electronically. And I'm gonna give you instructions, more instructions about it at the website. If you want to close a solution, here's how to do this. It's pretty simple, and it closes all the projects and files in that solution. And you are always prompted to save any files that have not been saved, that some have some unsaved changes. So, and only one solution can be open at any time. You cannot have multiple solutions running in parallel. So if you want to open an existing solution, you just follow these steps. Basically, go to File and either open Project or open File, depending on what you want to open. This is just an example of the tutorial given in the book. Basically, go, stop, picture invisible. This little boy might dance if you start hitting go, stuff like that. So pretty simple stuff. This is an example where you click the button for a state and automatically the capital name shows here. And there are a few summary slides here, quite a few actually, describing whatever we did throughout this whole class regarding objects, classes, forms, solution explorer, properties windows, and the different properties, the controls, different types of label, button, picture, format, event, class name, method name, the me.close instruction, saving it, stuff like that, assignment statement, printing, closing, etc. So that's basically our first class. Thank you all for listening for so long. I hope you enjoyed it, and um, we'll keep in touch with new classes and homeworks and assignments. Thanks again. You guys have a good day.